What is wrong with this computer? I have to call Puria. Wait. Hello, it's Puya here. We will have a conversation on the phone in two types. Formal type and informal type. قبل اینکه بریم سراغ ادامه ویدیو، چنل رو سابسکرایب کنید، پیج رو فالو بکنید، زنگوله اینستا و یوتیوب رو هم حتما بزنید تا ویدیوهای بعدی اول واسه شما پلی بشن. Hello? Hello. Who's it? Yeah, this is Puya. Could I speak to Puya, please? Okay, wait a moment, please. Yeah, sure. I think that he is not available at this time of the day. Sorry, I can't hear you very well. Would you repeat that, please? Yeah. I said he is not available right now. Okay. Can I leave a message? No, but I'll tell him to ring you when he gets back. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
My pleasure. Goodbye. Hello? Who's it?
Hey there. It's Puya here.
Yeah, I know you.
Is Puya there?
Let me check it out.
Yeah.
He's not available right now.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Would you repeat that, please?
I said he's not available right now.
Oh. Okay, can I leave a message?
No, but I can tell him to ring you when he
so
gets
sad.
back.
Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye. برای اینکه بتونید از این ویدیو استفاده کامل ببرید، حتما سیوش بکنید و چندین بار تمرینش بکنید. Love you guys. I'm Puya and I live English. Peace.